What? Do you want to build a custom PC? Well, here is your step-by-step guide on how to do that on Newegg.com. Now, to get started, you can type in PC Builder into the search bar, and ooh, look at this page it'll take you to. There's so many options, but let's say you want to do it in one click or less. We can do that. Click on the Build to Order tab, and boom, you're already getting started. You'll notice if you start with the Build to Order feature that the ENIAC assembly service is turned on. What? That's new. That's right. That means after you complete your system specifications, we'll complete the build and send you your computer ready to roll. Now, where do you start? Good question. Basically wherever you want. If you already know a component that you want to use, like your CPU or your video card, start there. If you need to select one of our pre-built lists to give you a foundation to work with, do that too. If you want to start picking parts randomly, sure, it's your computer. Now let's start adding some more components. And oh, are these only showing components that are compatible with my current build? You bet your butt they are. Yeah, kaboom. Never make a mistake again with Newegg PC Builder. Our builder will only show you PC parts that are compatible with your previously selected hardware, which makes this whole process so much easier. Now keep adding in all of your components and timeout. Save the power supply for last. You'll see the minimum wattage your current parts require, so be sure to select a power supply that can easily handle that load, especially if you've selected a CPU that can be overclocked. Every single step of this process is customizable. Swapping parts is easy, so keep refining your list until you've hit your budget. When you're all done, make sure everything's added to your cart, including assembly service if you want that turned on, and let's check out. Oh, you're done? Well, enjoy your computer.